Hi guys, I was trying to do my breakfast, which is pancit canton. This one I finished already. But when I was boiling my hard-boiled eggs inside the microwave, it exploded. I don't know why, but I was doing that one long time in a bowl with hot water, with water, then that egg. Then for 50 minutes, I will microwave it. I don't know what happened. It exploded, and this is the scene. This is the parts of the egg that exploded here until here. See? Till here, 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 at the side of my ref. See? It exploded. Oh my god. See? 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 My egg. It exploded. Oh my god. Anyways, lesson learned.